Hi everyone, hi Cancerians, how you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Sorry for the delay in the reading. Okay, so this is the reading for the November month, guys. If you want to purchase energized and activated bracelets and anklets for wealth, health, and prosperity, and financial problems, you can purchase it. The details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Let's check it out, how's everything going on into your life. Okay, so, and if you want to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, I am also providing the discount, so you can connect to me. The details are given, everything is given in the description box below. Okay, so what are you going through currently in the month of what are you going through currently in the month of, my god, your cards are so shuffling. What are you going through currently in the month of November? A lot of stagnancy is there, Cancerian. You want to move forward, you want to take an action towards someone or something which you are not having. Like, you need to gain a lot of courage, but you feel stuck right now at the moment. Okay, if you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome? If you follow the present plan, this stuck situation, what will be the likely outcome? If you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome? If you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome? Okay, you are very much thinking, meditating, rejuvenating in the thought process. Okay, so you are, a lot of thinking is going on. What do you need to know about your career, relationship, and health? What you need to know, you're Cancerians, I just feel that you are just thinking and getting stuck. You're not taking action towards it. Okay, just thinking into your mind. What do you need to know about your career, relationship, and health? Okay, so for few of you, into whosoever into a relationship, you are dealing with a third party situation. Now third party can be a neighbors, mother-in-law, father-in-law, parents, or siblings who are creating a chaos into a relationship, neighbors, anything. Okay, and for rest of you, you need to focus on your self-love and self-care, which you are not doing. Okay, so yeah, what you need to do to change or to improve the situation? What you need to do to change or to improve the situation? A lot of stuck energy is there, definitely, and a lot of instability is there right now when it comes to financial life. Okay, so you need to focus on finances more, because once you, a lot of instability is going on into your financial career also and into your home life also. So I would suggest you to focus on financial life first and then focus on relationship issues. Okay, because once one part is solved, then the other part can be solved automatically. Okay, so yeah, tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about the partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. They think that you are a bright person. You need to take an action towards them. Like they feel happy with you. Okay, so that is what they think about you. Where this relationship might be going. 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 Oh, someone is dealing with court case, legal issues, divorce issues, and some of you, the other of you, Cancerians, are dealing with karmic situation, karmic relationship, karmic cycle into a situation. Okay, You have a lot of clarity, you are confused about something, you need a lot of clarity when it comes to this karmic issue, karmic relationship. Okay, what do you need to focus on from now onwards? You need to focus on your materialistic world, your money related issues a lot, because a lot of instability I'm seeing when it comes to money related stuff. Okay, so yeah, what are your hopes and fears? Your fear is that you're juggling between two choices, to connection, to decisions, to problems. Okay, and at the same time your fear is that your hope is that you want to clarify something, you want to release this juggling situation, this confusion in the month of November. Okay, but you should take an action, which you are not doing. You're just into your head, you're not taking action towards it in the month of November. That's the problem. You need to do something to improve a situation, whatever you're going through. Okay, what is the likely outcome of this month? Okay, concerned, there is some mother interference is there for few of the Cancerians. Mother is interfering into your connection. Okay, so you need to think about it. Motherly energy who is trying to manipulate you, or who is trying to interfere into a connection or a relationship. That is what I'm getting. Okay, what does spirits wants to tell you? What does spirits wants to tell you? Take an action towards someone or something, whatever you are thinking, whatever you are into the thoughts of. Okay, you need to take an action towards it, which you are not doing. That's the problem. Okay, and that's the blockages you are creating for yourself. That's very bad, guys. Okay, we need to solve our own problems. Okay, by taking actions. We just cannot sit. You are just being patient enough. You are just going through some major spiritual awakening, realizing a lot of facts, problems, things near you, people around you. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you are if you were emotional in the past, now you are thinking from your mind. Okay, you are thinking from your mind, not heart. You think that a lot of things are slowing down, everything is getting delayed. That's the problem. Okay, you're going through a lot of maturity, and you're becoming mature when it comes to the situation, whatever the situation is going through. Okay, you are just being aware about your situation. A lot of awareness or realizations are happening to you, and major breakthroughs are on the horizon for you. Okay, victory is on the way. Like, if November is all about juggling, taking action and all, if you take an action, victory is on the way for you. Okay, whatever disappointments you had in the past or you are having right now, do not worry about it, because things will be very balanced, because you are going through some major spiritual awakening, a lot of realizations. And a spiritual awakening matlab the third eye chakra is opening for you, like the crown chakra is opening for you. We all have 7 chakras in our body, so the crown chakra, the mind part, is opening for you to the divine. Okay, and universe, this is all universe plan. Okay, so yeah, and that's why you are not understanding. One day you'll be having weird feeling, one day other day you'll be feeling very happy. Confused energy, anxiety issues, sleepless nights you will go through, because you are going through some spiritual awakening. That's why. So yeah, universe is supporting you. Second message, universal message for you is, I am a spirit having a human experience, and I am here to get closer to love. So you are analyzing how to do a self-love, self-care. It should be your priority in the month of November, self-love and self-care, because this is my advice also, because you are going through some major spiritual awakening. The third message for you, obstacles are detours to right direction. So whatever obstacles you are facing right now, these are the detours for your direction. Okay, the fourth message, when I focus on my inner light, I see the world through the lens of love. Wow. And the last message, my energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what I will manifest. Yes, correct. So let's check it out. What are the gemstones for the month of November for you guys? Okay, so yeah. So the archangel is Archangel Sandalphon. I allow angels to work through me to provide healing for myself, others, and planet. I am a conduit for the divine. The planetary guide of light are activated with every sacred step I take. Angels light my path. Wow. Are you ready to release the blocks for yourself and Mother Earth? Do you realize that your own healing helps to heal many people on the planetary level? His message for you is allow the celestial messengers to guide you to be true earth steward and caregiver of the planet. You are the messenger of light and well-being, so you need to spend time into the nature, guys. And also one more thing, I'm saying that universe and spirits are guiding you. You are just not understanding them, okay, those messages. So I would suggest you that understand those messages if you are having it, okay. So yes, guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys, and kindly book my sessions, one-on-one tarot reading sessions, guys. Okay, the details are given in the description box below. Thank you so much, Cancerians.